didn't put the exposure up too high. And it is. But it's a little dark, and it's just lining up there. This never happens right in front of my place. It usually happens out in the lake. That looks like Esta DesGagnes. And since they've just pulled away from the dock, not too far south of here, I'm assuming that they're loading the pilot, boarding the pilot. Yep, I can see the ladder. I don't know if you can see it on the video. Let's see, they're climbing up or down? Oh, and we're gonna go behind the tree in a minute. I won't be able to tell. Well, that was kind of nifty. I'll go ahead and upload this and see if I can catch them on the other side.